What is going on, lady boys? We are doing a little bit of a different video today. As you probably can see, this right here is a 6-foot surfboard that I'm sitting on. The back is hanging off right now. Super sketchy. Can't really touch the ground because I'm sitting on top of it. We're heading out. It's called the Bubble. So it's this, it's runoff. It's from like the sewer or whatever, like the where they reclaim the water. And it supposedly it's pretty clean, so it's not that big of a deal. You know, they clean the water and they get too much of it, so they let it run down. And so it happens only like every 8 years. So it's pretty sweet. It's on right now. And what we're gonna try to do is what I don't think I've ever seen anyone else try it. So it's something new. And I had the idea and I told Dana and Dom, and they're like, hey, sounds dangerous, we're in. And I'm like, hey, let's go make this happen. So we're gonna give it our best shot. I really have no clue what's gonna happen. It's probably not gonna go very well, but it's gonna be definitely pretty fun. So like all the water flows out, and you could almost, like 8 years ago, you could actually surf it. Like right where it comes out, you could put a line up and actually like rip on it like JOB does, and like by pipeline and stuff. You could do all that, but it's not coming out that much. So now we're gonna try to wakeboard, or kind of wake surf. We're gonna pull each other with the bikes. So we'll give it a go. We'll see how it works. We're wheeling. We're scraping the surfboard. Oh my god, that is awesome. So we're rolling up. This is like one of the runoffs. The main bubble goes all the way down, all the water, but this one comes up right here, builds up here. This actually isn't bad. This might work better for us here. Water, I mean, it is reclaimed water, so you can't expect that much, you know. But they filter it like 3 times, I think, so the odds of you catching herps or, you know, something like that's probably pretty good. But there's nowhere up there to do it, I don't think. Okay, let's do it here. Let's go across. I think it's totally doable. What do you mean?
Like, I feel like there's only like a 5% chance of success, which is great. Don't get me wrong.
Why are you always so negative?
That's positivity.
I'm sick of your negativity.
What are you giving?
It brings everyone down.
I'm not bringing anybody down.
At least 8%.
8?
Yeah.
That doesn't seem much more.
No, but it is more. I mean, and more is better. Or better is more, something like that.
I like how Dom's is dressed for it, so I think he should go first.
Dom is like the surfer.
Yeah.
He's like the...
I'm here for expert advice. That's it.
You got a bathing suit on.
Yeah.
You have a shirt with flamingos. Don't flamingos like water?
Flamingos love water.
Yeah.
That's true.
So I feel like it's destiny.
We'll see.
Nose goes.
Oh. You're up.
Oh, Dom.
Look at his helmet. See, 9 people he's killed.
Oh, is that what that's for?
That's crazy. If you kill 9 people...
Cut it. Don't put that in. Don't put that in the video. No, you can't put that in the video. Huh?
Odds.
Odds of what?
You include it.
I include it in the video?
Yeah.
1 add 2.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
2.
Sorry, you're on blast.
You're on blast. It happens, man. Okay. Dom. Let's go surfing, buddy.
This is your idea, fool.
Wait, what? What?
I'm sick and you got me out here.
But you're the surfer, though.
Yeah.
Dom. Come on.
I'm the dragger.
Dude, we're gonna hit that stake over there.
Yeah, if we make it that far.
Oh, yeah.
Make it for sure.
Dom's like positive. What's your percentage?
50-50? Dude, at least.
Oh, dude, did you take that out of our dungeon?
Shh. Yeah, that's weird, man.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Help you film it.
No way, you're not doing it.
Dude, no.
Why?
You gotta see if it works first.
Yeah.
Fuck, that means I gotta put my shoes on.
Already dead.
You guys are making this really difficult.
Go with your boots.
Huh? No, I can't. Who comes up with these dumb ideas? Sounds so much funner when someone else is gonna do it.
For real? I think we should put your bike over by the...
You guys are gonna wish you did it once I just start ripping.
Yeah. I like your crop top you're wearing.
Thanks.
What's up with the sleeve?
I cut it off.
Sun protection?
Yeah, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull my GoPro mic and stuff off.
Wait, why? The GoPro's waterproof. Just take the mic off.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
The GoPro's waterproof.
Isn't it waterproof the whole setup?
Not with the mic out, right?
Oh, the door?
Yeah.
I don't know. Just try it.
No, not ruin a $500 thing. I gotta pull it off.
Actually going in.
Send it.
Oh my god. This is such a great idea. Oh my god. Oh, this is so Is it cold? Oh! Watch out for the leeches.
This is a horrible idea.
No, it's great.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, you're gonna have to pull easy though.
Really hard?
Really hard.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It worked.
Yeah!
Holy shit.
Dude,
Hell yeah.
that was insane.
Dude. That was fucking awesome.
That was so sick.
I can't believe it worked.
Me neither.
It was so badass.
That was so sick.
Run, Dom. Run. We finally talked Dom into doing it. It took a lot of persuading. I was like, what would the ladyboys do? They would definitely send it with me. And Dom was just, I don't know. He was being Dom, but he's gonna give it a go. Come on, Dom! Send it, Dom! It's so nasty, the muddy water. It's like probably the grossest thing I've ever stepped in. And he's barefoot too, so I can't even imagine that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go faster, Dana. Yeah. Go faster. Yeah. Yeah. How awesome is that?
We got some river surfing.
Oh, that was awesome.
Oh my god.
That was awesome.
I didn't even get my helmet wet.
No.
I know. You didn't even take a tumble.
Dude.
That was bad.
Oh.
Fuck yeah. Oh my. You'd be the only
Dana,
Yeah.
send it.
What?
You gotta send it.
I have been.
What?
one. Redneck riverboarding, dude.
Redneck riverboarding.
Let's go.
Where are we going?
You're here.
Chipotle?
You're here.
In and out.
We got surfboard.
Broiler.
We got water.
Bad idea.
Bad ideas.
No, like I
Motorcycle.
get it. I just can't.
Why?
There's like alligators in there.
Shaking from the adrenaline.
It is pretty awesome. Odds.
1 in 10.
Does Dom get to go too?
What? No, that's not a double thing.
Ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
8.
9.
Oh, fuck.
That was close.
All right, lady boys. So we talked Dom into going. We're gonna see how fast Dana can go on the bike. I told Dana 5th gear. He's gonna try to get to 6th gear. Pulling Dom. That's like 50 miles an hour, which is ridiculous. Dom goes from not even wanting to do it to seeing how fast he go. He's still got fucking sewage water in my mouth. Yeah, faster! 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 Go! 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 Yeah! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh!
Bro, that was wild, yo!
And we're back with the GoPro on the helmet. Oh man, my stuff is just drenched. It's full of water. It's ridiculous. How was it, Dom?
Sick.
Epic.
When the farmer tells you he can surf his freaking river.
Yeah, the farmer came and was totally cool with us doing it. He's like, hey, you guys want the herps or the gonorrhea? Go for it. And he just let us go. So
He gave us a shock eye and was like,
he's like, send it. Just don't send it too hard.
redneck river surfing.
Redneck river surfing was a success. Now it's time to go home, take a shower, get this crap off us, whatever the heck was in there. Pretty disgusting. Where's Dana going? He's leaving. We are good to go. Ooh, that was a success. Way better than I thought it would ever turn out. And we're definitely, I was gonna just leave the board for some other kids to try it, but we're taking this thing back. We're gonna fix it up a little, put some fins on her, and come back for sure. I think we're gonna do it with the Razor next maybe, because that thing gets up to about 80, and I think 80 would probably be like the perfect speed to surf behind it. That way, like, he could stop like halfway down and then just sling us the rest of the way into the field. So we'll give that a go next. But anyway, super fun. By the time this video posts, I'll be out in Parker. We're having a bachelor party out there for my buddy. So we're gonna be wakeboarding, wake surfing, I've been doing some fishing. So I'll probably film that stuff, post a little video of that. It should be complete chaos, knowing all those guys. Spanky will be there, Officer Dinkle, so it'll be pretty cool. I think it'll be a fun time. So I'll video that, and that'll be up next week sometime. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I still can't even believe it. Pretty cool. Anyway, peace out, ladyboys.